Hey everyone, thanks for stopping in. I'm going to take a stab at joining in on Lotto Lock Tuesday. I'm going to go with a 7240 today. It's one of my personal favorites. It's really what I learned spools on. Once in a while, though, they can give me a hard time. And I have actually a bunch of these. They're all key-to-like, so I can't tell them apart, but I grab them out of a box of a dozen and kind of randomly. And they have, yeah, it's a little different challenge. You don't know the binding order all the time. And anyways, but it's also FunKey Monkey. He just hit 200 subscribers. Is doing a awesome giveaway. Yeah, you just got to make a pick and gut video and give a shout out. And I'm gonna do mine for Lockpicking Newbie Junior. He just watched a video of his where he made really quick work of a Master Pro Series, and I have one that has been pissing me off for a good while. So it was nice to see somebody winning, but yeah, that bidding's pretty deadly too. Yeah, I don't know if my skills just aren't there yet, so I'll keep at it. But congratulations to Lockpicking Newbie Junior for starting his channel, and I'm sure we're going to see more from him. He's got a pretty supportive household, as we all know. But yeah, congrats to FunKey Monkey for hitting 200. That's a big deal, man. That's cool. And I love watching your videos, so it's good to see you do well. And yeah, it's amazing. This community is just crazy as far as support. And you know, I don't even have any content that I'd want to watch. And I think I got 30, 31 of you that were nice enough to subscribe. But anyways, I'll get to it, give this a shot. And I finally have followers, so I can, I went and printed these off last week. Trekmaster 30, I believe it was his designs on Thingiverse. But yeah, the only one I had previous to that was the one that comes in the Sparrow's Reload kit. Excuse me. Yeah, I didn't have anything small enough to do the 7240s or the 7140s, any of that. So yeah, and we'll give it a shot. And I have no idea. I grabbed this one out of the box. I have no idea if I've even picked this one yet. Give it real light tension. Feels like 3 is binding. Yeah, there we go. Feeling a little something on 4 there. I may have the wrong pick for the job. Run a little thin or something. That was 5 or 6. Yeah, it was 5 before. I am going to swap it out. A little thinner kind of a Euro hook. Yeah. Got a bit of a false set off that. I think that was 4. Brushed 6 and got a little something more out of it. 1. Feels like 2 is bound up, but I'm getting a little too much flex out of that thing. I don't have much pressure on this or much tension, but it's fighting me like it is. That was a little something there. 3. 5 bound up. Thing's a little meaty, trying to get into this little keyway at the back there. Wondering if I've overset something. Well, it's not just a gimme today. This video doesn't go too long. That just got me a little... There we go. All right. That's all right. That was actually a pretty different order than I'm used to from these guys. All right, and this is going to be a bit of a challenge because I don't have any way to film from above. I'm using like a little 4-inch tripod thing here. I'll try to keep everything in frame. Excuse me. Yep. All right. Got that picked, and I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that key in there for now. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna have to. I don't have a tool for these circlips, so I'm gonna do this awkward ass double mini screwdriver thing, and with this camera. Oh, that was easier than I thought. I thought I was gonna make a bloody mess. I'm just going to go ahead and turn that ever so slightly, about 11 o'clock or so. I think it's okay on that side. Find out pretty quick if it's not. Oh. Damn it. Yeah. Dropping all over the damn place. Well, won't be a pretty gut. One, two, three, four. 5 and 6. Sorry, bear with me. I'm going to see if I can zoom out a touch. I don't think so, but nope. Try to move those out a bit. And I made a bloody mess. But I happen to know that these things are all spools except the first one, I believe. Just going to go ahead and make that assumption unless I find... No, there's a pin one. Spool. Oh, I messed those springs up. Damn it. Oh, luckily I've got more. That follower actually has a gap. This is too long. I got to take some meat off of it, and I really should have maybe done that beforehand. You see, it's enough for a pin. It started a real mess. Ah, well. Again, I have more of those springs, and I can slap this back together. I just wanted to get any gut on film, and there they are. You guys have seen them 1,000 times. All right, thanks for coming by and putting up with my mess. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks.